Hello, CAT aspirants. Welcome to reading comprehension question. So here we find out the same text about validating and invalidating emotions. Um, so on the basis of this particular text, we find out some questions are given, and as per the direction for question, we need to answer the following question based on the information provided below. Well, if I talk about this particular text, you must have gone through it and you must also understood what was discussed. So let's jump to the question. So the question points out, what does the passage recommend as a response when someone confides in you about their emotions? So the question seeks to understand the recommended response when someone confides in you about their emotions based on the passage guidance, right? So based on the passage guidance. Let's see that the options provided below. So the first option said criticize and reject their feelings. Second, use toxic positivity to avoid negativity. Then third, listen and emotionally validate their experience. Fourth, encourage them to support or avoid negative emotions. So if you look into that, according to the question, what does the passage recommend as a response when someone confides in you about their emotions? If you look into the first option, so it is stated criticize and reject their feelings. No, not. Because if you look into that, criticizing and rejecting someone feelings would nothing but invalidate invalidate their emotional experiences, which goes against the recommendation of emotional validation. So therefore this option cannot be taken as the answer to uh, consider as a response, right? Now look into the option 2. It is stated use toxic positivity to avoid negativity. Now this option 2 also incorrect, as the passage does what? Warns. Warns against what? Warns against toxic. Warns against toxic positivity, which involves avoiding negativity and dismissing negative emotions. Instead, the passage advocates for genuine validation and understanding. Hence, you consider option 2 would be incorrect one. Look at the option 3. What does it say? So, option 3 stated listen and emotionally validate their experience. Now, that is what called as a response when someone secretly hide in you about their emotion. So, as you can say that, means the passage suggests listening and emotionally validating the person's experience. Listen and uh, you can talk about emotionally validating validating the person's experience when they confide in you about their emotion. This involves nothing but indicating about acknowledging their feelings, offering offering supports offering supports, and you could say that mm, validating the validity of their emotional experience. So in that case, option 3 provides the correct response when someone confides in you about their emotions. But look at the option 4. What does it say? Encourage them to stop or avoid negative emotions. That goes means against the text, as encouraging someone to suppress or avoid negative emotions does nothing but contradicts 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 the what? The passage that emphasizes on understanding and accepting emotions rather than avoiding them, right or not? So hence you can find out option 1, 2 and 4 are eliminated, and because of that means invalid, contradiction and warning against toxic position. So option 3 would be the most appropriate answer to this particular question, isn't it? Hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you. And the answer is option 3. Thank you.